And I specially mention to the Virgos because we are in the month of September, and many of the Virgos out there, and of course all of them would be out there, would be having their birthday months and days here. So in advance, I wish you all the very best. Wish you very many happy returns of the day, and may all of you, each one of you who are born this month, I'm making a special case for the Virgos because we are doing it in the month of September. Otherwise, of course, it means for each one of you who are seeing this is that your wishes be granted, right? Okay, Virgos, so pack your bags. Pack your bags because this is time for travel and distance and journeys which take you towards growth, because we all say ना, अगर आप grow करना चाहते हो सही तरीके से, अगर सही मायने में, then you have to really step out of your comfort zone and allow yourself to grow. And when you grow, in the sense grow while traveling, when you meet new people, new cultures, see new places, then you are able to basically figure out, discover new perspectives, new ways of thinking, new ways of doing stuff, and then you grow as a person, right? So that is one of the connotations. When 8 of Wands appear, it is a card of forward and onward momentum. More often than not, it symbolizes travels. It symbolizes the momentum. It symbolizes that whatever has been stuck till this point in time is finally going to move, about to move, should move, will move. Okay, so it is about that. So in generic sense, of course, if you're planning travel, please, it's a very fantastic omen. In terms of love and relationship, again, it is to say that अगर inertia set in हो गया है, there is lack of momentum, जिसको बोलते हैं ना कि सब कुछ sluggish है, ठंडा है, तो कुछ उसको करने की ज़रूरत है, कुछ रिवाइव करने की ज़रूरत है. और किसी भी चीज़ को रिवाइव करने के लिए इससे अच्छी क्या बात हो सकती है, that you allow yourself a well deserved break. So you don't have to plan something fancy, but maybe if you go to some breakaway, some takeaway, some getaway, that I want to say is that, then basically it will do you a lot more good in terms of bringing about your birthday ideas and plans also together. In career also, it kind of, and work and career also, it's just about momentum, कि जो भी कुछ है आप उसको आगे लेके जाएं. अगर आप दुविधा में हैं, अगर क्रॉस रोड्स पे हैं, हाँ, चौराहे पे खड़े हुए हैं, तो आगे जाओ भाई, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. you go forward and onward, and you will be able to eventually you will be able to, because see what happens in this thing, that you cannot, if you're not moving, if you're standing, if you're rooted there, then that is actually you are kind of regressing. Not moving is not moving. It's not only not moving, but you are regressing because you are losing so much of an opportunity. You're losing time, you're losing resources, so it might as well go onward and forward. हद से हद क्या होगा? Maybe you will falter, right? Maybe you will falter, maybe you will fail, but then that also would be a learning experience of sorts, right? So you have to get on and go ahead with your ideas which are brewing in your head. And with Virgos, as picture perfect as they are, you don't have to get everything in one go. And yes, on that note, my tarot archetype series is already out, and I've already shared with you the shots of the Virgo again, because it was September. So the tarot archetype for the Virgo by now we know is the Hermit, and the Hermit encourages you that you do not have to have the entire roadmap plan chalked for you. You just need a clear next step, and once you are able to take the clear next step, then the momentum automatically builds in and sets in. Okay, so I enjoy you all the favorable journeys, and may you be able to see not only of the world but also of yourself as you go onward and forward on this journey of self discovery.